All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with ClickMail.co. In this video, we're going to start breaking down the structure of a Google Ads account so that when we actually open the Google Ads account, you will be able to understand how the sort of hierarchical nature of it works, and you'll be able to navigate more easily. You'll know what we're doing. So it's a little easier to see it in the way I'm going to show you on the screen now than to get into the account and try to break it all down. There's a lot of things to look at in the accounts. Okay, so here on the screen, you will see that we have Google Ads account structure. And the first part of this Google Ads account structure is the advertising account as a whole. Okay, so you just have account level view. Okay, now within the account level view is everything else. It's all of the ads and ad groups and campaigns and all of the data and everything. So if you're looking at the ads account, then you're going to be looking at everything. Okay, so this is the first level. Everything falls under the account view. So if you're looking at any type of specific data, you're going to start filtering down into the lower levels of the account. Okay, so with that, the first Google Ads account structure is the ads account as a whole. We'll see you in the next video where we're going to get into the next layer down. We'll see you there.